some records. I think we were given a month of time for this mission of records. I sliced the month into 3 parts. The first part, think of that, get an idea. In the second part, it commence the work. And in the third part, I use high gears and complete the work. Work is increasing stepwise, and I thought like just climbing upstairs is very easy. But what actually happened is in the first part, I didn't think of that. In the second part, it bumped up. In the third part, now actually in the third part, and that's the last day, and I didn't even put pen to paper. So anyway, so I started there for 6.5 hours, and I was able to submit the records to my peers. That's over, and that day, evening, I've got a call from lab in charge. He says, "Are you money deep?" I say, "Yeah." He says, "When I talk about your lab records?" I said, "Yeah." He says, "It's the best one I've ever seen." Actually, that did not happen. I said it because I love that situation, that moment, when all of you say, "This guy is amazing." So, what actually happened is, he says, "It's the first one I've ever seen." So, what's going on here? So, in these days, in this video, I'm going to talk about procrastinator. So, what is a procrastinator? The procrastinator is the one who keeps on delaying the things, or in other words, the procrastinator is that who says everything is okay, it's hunky-dory, and something is time. So, let's imagine the brains of a procrastinator and a probably non-procrastinator. So, in a non-procrastinator's brain, there is an instant gratification monkey. In procrastinator's brain, there is an instant gratification monkey and a rational decision maker. Whereas in a non-procrastinator's brain, there is a rational decision maker. So, what is this rational decision maker and instant gratification monkey? A rational decision maker is the one who keeps the things in a meticulous way, think of future, make plans, and this instant gratification monkey doesn't like that plan. It wants the things go fun and easy. If you're a dog and you want to live your life fun and easy, you have huge success, but not in this advanced civilization. So, and there is a panic monster who keeps on watching all the things doing by this procrastinator. And this rational decision maker, when the things go in a meticulous way, and this instant gratification monkey, when the things go fun and easy, and this instant gratification monkey is only afraid of that panic monster, and this panic monster keeps on sleeping and suddenly wakes up when the things deadline falls shorter. So it works for the things for which there is proper deadline set. So for the things there is proper deadline set, if whenever the deadline falls shorter, this panic monster wakes up and this instant gratification monkey is afraid of that, and boom, it climbs up the tree. And now this rational decision maker, it makes it strives, blazes, and grabs as much success as he could, and vote for things for which there is no proper deadline set. So things like long-term plans, future goals, there's no proper deadline set, right? So, in such cases, this panic monster keeps on sleeping, and this rational decision maker has no opportunity to handle things, and this instant gratification monkey, it goes on keeping the things fun and easy, and it's you who gets completely ruined. So, what's my suggestion is that set deadlines for setting deadlines for things in long term from today. It's today. Actually, sometimes it happens.